Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a proper Windows environment for using ChimeraTool, focusing on driver installation and ensuring system compatibility. To begin, make sure your Windows system is fully updated. You shouldn't see any messages like "Important updates are missing" in Windows Update. Keeping your system current helps prevent many potential driver-related issues. You don't need to enable test mode. Chimera works in standard mode with the correct drivers. Next, open ChimeraTool and navigate to the driver installation section. Click to install all available drivers directly from Chimera. After installing, always check that the drivers are up to date. Using outdated drivers can lead to detection errors and fail procedures. It's important to check for any test point interface recognition in Device Manager. This applies to both Exynos and MTK devices. Connect your phone, trigger the appropriate test point mode, and check if the device appears correctly in the list. If not, you may need to reinstall the drivers. Keep in mind, conflicts can occur if you have previously installed drivers from other tools. These may interfere with Chimera's operation. Unfortunately, these types of conflicts can't always be diagnosed or fixed easily, so the safest approach is to use Chimera on a clean, fresh Windows installation whenever possible. At this stage, your system should be ready to use ChimeraTool smoothly.
Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.